Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add notes to cells in Google Sheets. This is a really useful feature when you need to leave reminders, explanations, or context for yourself or your team without cluttering up the actual cell content. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log into your Google account. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to work with. This step is important because it ensures you're accessing the right workspace and files. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. This is where all your Google Sheets, Docs, and other files are stored. From here, simply locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to add notes to cells. Once you open it, you'll see your entire sheet ready for editing. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Google Sheets gives you two different methods to add notes to cells, and both are super straightforward. Let's start with the first method. Right-click on the cell where you want to add a note. A menu will pop up with several options. From that menu, click on Insert Note. A small text box will appear right next to the cell, and this is where you can type in whatever note you want to add. It could be a quick reminder, a calculation, explanation, or even instructions for someone else using the sheet. The second method is just as easy. Click on the cell you want to add a note to, then look up at the top of the screen where the main menu bar is. Click on Insert from the menu options. A drop-down list will appear with various insert options. From that list, click on Note. Just like before, a text box will pop up, and you can type in your note right there. Both methods achieve the same result, so you can use whichever feels more natural to you. The note will stay attached to that cell, and anyone viewing the sheet can see it by hovering over the cell or clicking on it. This makes collaboration much smoother since everyone can access the context they need without asking questions. And that's it. You've now added notes to cells in Google Sheets, making your data more informative and easier to understand. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.